Hello, AP Computer Science A students, and welcome to another day of Computer Science in Virtual World. Let's go ahead and get started. Today's question of the day. A programmer is trying to come up with the most reusable general abstraction for the following list of animals: lion, tiger, cheetah, panther. Which of the following is the most abstract category for these items? Would it be cats, mammal, animal, or organism? Please pause the video, study the answer choices. All right, hopefully you had an opportunity to look at the answer choices. Remember, when we're dealing with abstract, we want to come up with what is the most general, reusable. And when we look at lion, tiger, cheetah, and panther, yes, they're all cats, but they're also all animals, mammals, and organisms. An organism is the correct answer because it is the most general of all four answer choices. Make sure you go over to It's Learning and find question of the day for April 21st and select option D. Today's assignments are to complete the April vocabulary words, both sentences and definitions, and then complete the Unit 9 study guide. Remember that the Unit 9 study guide is not for a grade, it's to help prepare you for the test. We will have the test due on Thursday. The test is going to be open note, which means you can go over to the lesson and use the lesson. So you just want to make sure you get ready for the test today as well as do the vocabulary. And then as you get ready for the AP test, hopefully you start receiving some emails pretty soon from College Board. Remember, there's only going to be 2 FRQs. One is going to deal with array and array list or array list. That's going to be the bigger of the two. You'll have 25 minutes plus another 5 minutes to upload. It's going to be 65% of the exam. And then question number 2 is going to be methods and control structures. They're going to give you 15 minutes to write that one and a 5-minute upload time, and that'll be 35% of your grade. And that's all I got for today. Let me know if you have any questions once you go over the Unit 9 review. Have a wonderful day.